The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, south central Grimes County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Washington County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hempstead, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hempstead, Prairie View, Walner, and Pine Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until